Looking for the perfect protein powder to help you reach your fitness goals? Lady Boss Lean could be the answer. In this video, we'll break down what makes Lady Boss Lean stand out and how it can help you get in the best shape of your life. Stick around to find out why this protein powder is a top choice for women who want to tone up and get fit. Lady Boss Lean is a protein powder created specifically for women. It's not just any protein powder. This meal replacement shake is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and digestive enzymes to support your overall wellness. Whether you're looking to lose weight, tone up, or build muscle, this product is designed to help you get there faster. So what makes Lady Boss Lean stand out? First, it's a low-calorie meal replacement with only 100 calories per serving, but it still packs 15 grams of high-quality protein from whey, isolate, and concentrate. This helps with muscle recovery and keeps you feeling full longer. It also contains a blend of digestive enzymes like papain and protease, which help break down food and prevent bloating. Finally, it's fortified with 18 essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D, B6, and B12, making it a full nutritional powerhouse for busy women. Lady Boss Lean is perfect for women with busy lifestyles. Whether you're a working professional, a mom juggling kids and workouts, or someone trying to get in shape, this shake can help you meet your nutrition goals without the hassle of meal prep. It's also great if you're looking to shed a few pounds and need a healthy, convenient meal replacement option. One question we often get is, what does Lady Boss Lean taste like? The vanilla cake flavor is one of the top-rated flavors, described as creamy, sweet, and satisfying, without that chalky protein aftertaste. Another question is, can I use it for weight loss? Absolutely. Lady Boss Lean is designed to help you replace meals with a low-calorie, high-protein option, making it easier to create a calorie deficit for weight loss. Don't just take our word for it. Lady Boss Lean has received rave reviews from thousands of women. If you're ready to start your fitness journey, click the link in the description or pinned comment to get your own Lady Boss Lean today. And if you want to see more about Lady Boss Lean, check out our next video where we do a full taste test and review of this amazing protein powder.